got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing, bitches on my line, and you know.
Good day everyone, I'm Tristan Edric Dilara from BECS 1C, here to present the impact of globalization on local cultures. I have 3 key points to discuss. First is advantage and disadvantage of globalization on local cultures, the impact of globalization on indigenous language and traditions, and lastly, some effects of globalization on local cultures. Globalization, like a powerful tide, has surged across the world, shaping and reshaping local cultures in its wake. As borders blur and technology connects, the influence of global trends on indigenous tradition is undeniable, from cuisine to language, from fashion to music. The impact of globalization on local cultures is a complex interplay of adaptation, preservation, and sometimes resistance. It has both positive and negative impacts on local cultures. On the positive side, it can lead to cultural exchange, increased diversity, and greater access to global ideas and products. However, it can also result in cultural homogenization, where local tradition and language are overshadowed by dominant global cultures and loss of cultural identity. Advantage and disadvantage of globalization on local cultures. Advantage: globalization facilitates cultural exchange, allowing people to learn about and appreciate different traditions, cuisines, art forms, and lifestyle from around the world. It can lead to the enrichment of local cultures through the integration of the diverse influences. Economically, globalization can create job opportunities, increase standards of living, and provide access to a wider range of goods and services. Disadvantages: however, globalization can also pose threats to local cultures. The spread of Western values and consumer culture may erode traditional practices and values. Local industries, particularly those based on craftsmanship and artisanal skills, may struggle to compete with mass-produced goods from global markets. This can lead to the loss of unique cultural expression and the commodification of cultural artifacts. Impact of globalization on indigenous languages and traditions. Language shift. Globalization often promotes the use of dominant languages such as English, Spanish, and Mandarin, leading to the decline of extinction of indigenous languages. This loss not only affects communication but also erases unique worldviews and ways of understanding the environment. Cultural appropriation. Indigenous cultures are often commodified and exploited for commercial gain, with little benefits to the communities that originated them. This can range from the mispresentation of indigenous symbols and practices, in particular culture, to the exploitation of natural resources on the indigenous lands. Loss of traditional knowledge. Indigenous cultures possess valuable knowledge about sustainable practices, biodiversity conservation, and medical plants. However, globalization can undermine this traditional system, leading to the loss of valuable ecological knowledge and practices that have sustained communities from generations. Some effects of globalization on local cultures. Language. Globalization often promotes the use of dominant languages like English in business, education, and entertainment. As a result, younger generation may prioritize learning these languages over their native tongues, leading to the decline in fluency and usage of local languages. This can erode cultural identity and weaken the transmission of indigenous knowledge and traditions passed down through language. Language is a key aspect of cultural identity, and globalization can both enrich and threaten local cultures through its impact on language. On one hand, globalization can lead to the spread of dominant languages, often English, which may overshadow indigenous languages and dialects. Food. The spread of fast food chains and multinational foods corporations can lead to a preference for standardized, easily accessible meals over traditional local cuisines. This shift in eating habits not only affects dietary preference but also impact local food industries, such as family-owned restaurant and food markets, which may struggle to compete with large international chains. The spread of fast food chains like McDonald's can lead to the homogenization of diets, as people around the world consume similar standardized meals rather than traditional local cuisine. This can have various effects on local food cultures, including change in dietary habits and the decline of traditional food markets and the loss of culinary diversity. Fashion. Global fashion trends, often driven by Western influences, can overshadow traditional clothing styles unique to specific regions or cultures. As people adopt more mainstream fashion choices, traditional garments and textile practices may face diminished demands and appreciation. This can result in the loss of skills related to traditional garments making techniques and a decline in the visibility of cultural diversity through clothing. In conclusion, globalization has undoubtedly both benefits and challenges to local cultures. While it has facilitated cultural exchange and diversity, it has also led to homogenization and the erosion of traditional values and practices. The impact varies greatly depending on the context of how communities choose to engage with globalization. Overall, striking a balance between embracing global influences and preserving local identities is crucial for maintaining cultural diversity and vitality in an increasingly interconnected world.